Look here for great advice about dogs. Dogs are great fun. They can be a great pet for anyone from a small child to a very old senior citizen. However, you need to make sure that you are caring for your dog in the right way. After all, you want your dog to live with you for as long as possible, right? Here are some tips to help you have a healthy, happy dog. When you are trying to teach your dog new tricks, you should always be patient. Different dogs will learn things differently. If your dog isn't picking up a new trick right away, give him time. You could also try changing your teaching method. Your dog may respond better to a different approach. If your dog spends a lot of time outdoors, he or she may eventually come in contact with a skunk. If he gets sprayed, mix together 1 teaspoon of dishwashing detergent, 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1 quart of hydrogen peroxide solution, but make sure it is no more than 3%. Apply the mixture to your dog's coat and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Wash your dog off well afterward. If you are not sure of how much to feed your dog each day, talk to your vet about it. Some people feed the dog based on their food package recommendations, but these can be wrong and cause them to be overweight. Your vet will give you personalized advice. In order to make sure that your dog is healthy, be sure to allow it to have access to clean water at all times during the day. Just like with all living beings, water is one of the most important components. The only exception would be that you would want to keep water from a puppy for 3 hours before bedtime. Not every dog is capable of going to the dog park. Some dogs will not do well around other dogs that they do not know. Get to know how your dog does around friends or neighbors' dogs before you attempt to take him to the park. This way, you will know if he will be aggressive towards other dogs. Respect your pet. When out on a walk, do not force your dog to interact with other people or animals if he does not want to. There is a reason why your dog may not want to get too close, and it is important that you listen to him. If you try and make him interact, your dog may begin to act out over time. Getting a dog on a whim is rarely a good idea. You need to make sure you can afford to feed a dog and cover medical expenses before getting a pet. Research different breeds to figure out which dog would be best for your family, your lifestyle and the size of your home. Healthy dogs that are happy are the most fun of all. That is why you need to heed the information presented in this video. You will see that when you really start concentrating on providing the best care for your dog is a better companion for you and your family. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.